there's lots of situations, if you know what you're doing, you can turn a losing situation into a profitable situation. And this is where the majority of traders in options just go wrong, because they do these one-dimensional trades. They put on either a spread, they just let it go, they don't know how to adjust, they don't know how to manage their position by the numbers, and they're not treating their investments as a business. You know, every business has maybe a month out of the year. The other 11 months, yeah, maybe they'll be profitable. If they're running their business the right way, you're going to make a profit at the end of the year. And if you listen to the videos and I show you exactly how I do my trades and exactly how you can do your trades too, then you're going to have the knowledge to trade with confidence. And that's what this is all about. Because it doesn't matter if the market goes up or down. Even if it runs against your position, you're going to have the knowledge of what you need to do in order to turn that position around and make it profitable. So, hey, I wish you the best always. This is the real deal. This is how professional traders actually trade positions in large quantities. This is how market makers who know what they're doing and floor traders who know what they're doing, this is how they run their investment business. This is, in fact, probably one of the most secret and really hidden systems. I mean, you might know how to trade calls and puts, but putting them together into an investment portfolio, into a business situation where you're only managing it by the numbers, is extremely rare. This is not something that is common knowledge. I've seen seminars for $20,000 that don't teach what I'm going to teach you in this class. Okay. Now what I've done is I put together about 20 different videos that goes through what I just described here, all the Greeks, which is the delta, gamma, theta, vega. I've given you introductory videos on the introduction to the profit scenario, what you really need to learn and how to understand the positions that we're creating. I've also gone into extensive trade selection and strategy. Trade selection and strategy is absolutely critical because we don't put these kind of positions on without a plan. This is a business, remember. We have a plan, and we put these positions on with a plan. So I go into trade selection and strategy. I also go into portfolio building. How do we build our portfolio? Because you can put on just one or two of these trades, like in the diamonds, EEM, the IWM, or the SPYs. But it's really about putting on different positions and different prices on different indexes and building a portfolio. And this is where the power of this system comes in, because you get to manage the portfolio rather than individual positions. Now, one position might go against you, the other three positions are looking good, so you can kind of manage that one that was going against you, and it doesn't affect the other three. So even with $1,600 in margin here, we still have 4 positions. I mean, we still have 4 positions, so we're not trading large contracts. That's another thing too, is when you get started, you're trading, just a few contracts, but the return on investment is absolutely huge here. I talk about using this particular platform, the thinkorswim platform. See, the thing about this platform is it allows you to manage your investment as a business because of the numbers that they're giving you. They tell you what the numbers are. They give you those numbers absolutely free. They have a absolutely fantastic charting package. I mean, there's all kinds of things. You get live real-time prices. The package that thinkorswim actually gives to you is, I mean, if you had to go out and buy the software to do this, it'd probably cost you a couple $100 a month. And years ago, and the one reason why I think this business is going to be is just, I mean, it's really, really at the right time for a lot of retail investors to learn how to do this, because a lot of these tools haven't been available except for the last couple of years. So, and thinkorswim constantly reinvests in their platform to make it better and easier to use and to give you more information. I mean, the type of analysis that you'll see in the videos that we're going to be doing is absolutely incredible. You can't get the type of analysis, and you can't monitor your trades in a window like this in other platforms. They just don't have it. I won't knock other brokerage firms, but I did have another account at a large option, and I mean they just specialized in options. You couldn't get these kind of numbers. You couldn't manage your business by the numbers like you can with this platform. So I have a video just on the selection, the order entry, how to get help, and how to manage your trading platform through the Thinkorswim platform. Then I go into portfolio management, and specifically portfolio management by these Greeks. Now, if you know options, then you know the Greeks. Okay, if you don't know options that well, or you haven't gotten a introduction to the Greeks yet, I go through that. And we're going to manage our portfolio. That's the whole deal. We manage the whole business. Then, when we find a problem, we dig down into each individual position to find out whether or not, in fact, we need to make adjustments to our business model, just like a real business. We make the adjustments, things are looking good again, and we continue on the position, and at the end of the month, all we do is collect our pay. That's the whole deal. We just wait. Here, let me show you exactly what happens, because over time, the neat thing about this is that you can actually tell what your profitability is going to be over time. If we take a look down here in the left-hand corner again, you can see that as of May 6th, we're going to be up $369. You can tell exactly what your business is going to make over the next week and a half. And then on May 13th, we're going to be up almost $870. And that's exactly, that's how you manage the business by the numbers. You know in the future what you're going to be making based on the type of portfolio and the management of the portfolio that you're doing today. This is what happens to this white line. This white line is your current profit and loss position. And this, as we get closer to option expiration, this moves up. So on May 6th, we're going to have a profit of $374. On May 13th, we're going to have a profit of $871. And as we get closer to expiration, if we go back to the expiration graph here, we'll see that the maximum profit is, if we stay right in the center here, is about $1,000 on this margin, or $1,200 to $1,300 if we move to either side. So it's very easy. This platform is absolutely fantastic. And that's what I teach you to do. I teach you to manage your portfolio by the Greeks in less than just a few minutes a day. I said 15 minutes, but to tell you the truth, once you get used to doing this, it's going to be 5 minutes or less.